This episode gets you started into Tezhip. All you'll need is a pencil, rubber and paper. Nuance is key to perfecting the art of Tezhip. Practicing with pencil and paper is the best way to start. Remember to have your elbow on the desk as you draw. Our first exercise is warming up with getting used to gripping the pencil. First, take a piece of paper. Fill the paper with circles, like so. Breathe deep and relax. Now we'll begin to draw straight lines, vertically and then horizontally. When you are drawing Tezhip, you want to be immersed in the art. Patience is key to improving your skills in Tezhip. Play some classical Turkish instrumental while you're practicing to help you focus. This exercise is nuance. This is key in order to improve in Tezhip. We need to know how to control our pencil and lay our paintbrush with light pressure and then pressure to light. First, draw a straight line. Begin lightly and apply pressure in the middle, and then release that pressure. Repeat this in both horizontal lines and vertically. Now begin to draw small circles. Again, begin light, apply pressure in the middle of the circle, and then lighten that pressure when you complete the circle. Repeat this as much as you can. The idea with this exercise is to control the pencil with the pressure and to lighten the pressure. As you practice, you'll get better. Now let's draw backward L-shaped curves. Begin lightly and then apply pressure towards the end. Here I'm drawing at a 45-degree angle of a curved line. Begin with pressure and then release the pressure towards the end.